Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chlorophyll powder at home. Start by harvesting fresh leafy greens, remove stems, and rinse well. Blanch leaves briefly to preserve color, then cool in ice water. Blend leaves with a little water to release juices, strain through cheesecloth, and evaporate the liquid gently until a thick concentrate forms. Dry the concentrate slowly and grind into a fine powder, then store in an airtight container away from light. Pick sturdy, vibrant leaves like spinach, parsley, or wheatgrass and avoid damaged parts. Chop leaves roughly and remove thick stems to make blending easier. Use cold water to rinse all dirt and pesticides thoroughly before processing. For best color retention, blanch leaves in boiling water about 10 seconds, then shock in ice water. Pat dry and proceed to blending to extract the green juices for drying. Quick recommendation: if you want hands-free music or timers while you make chlorophyll, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for compact sound and voice controls. It fills a kitchen, sets timers for blanching, and plays soothing music during drying. If you like this guide, please subscribe and like to support more content. Check the description for the link and other deals, and save time in the process. Now let's get back to the video. Blend leaves with minimal water until smooth, working in short pulses to avoid heat buildup. Strain the puree through cheesecloth or a fine mesh to collect the green liquid, squeezing well to recover most juice. Gently simmer the liquid at low heat to reduce volume, or use a dehydrator at low temperature to preserve pigments. Once concentrated and dry, grind into a powder and store in a cool, dark place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.